Hi stylers, welcome back to another video. So today I am at MegaMart to check out their Christmas decorations. I know MegaMart always have some nice Christmas decor, so I'm going to share with you what they have just in case you want to decorate for the Christmas and want to know what they have in store. If you're new here, I am Renee. I share all things home related, so you get shopping videos, DIY, room makeover, tips, tricks, cleaning, organization. So if you love content like this, don't forget to subscribe at the end of this video. So let's head on inside MegaMart now and see what they have in store. One thing I love to do is always draw for a shopping cart. Even if I'm not buying anything, I love to have one to push around just in case, but sometimes you end up don't come in here to buy anything and your cart end up have stuff in there that you didn't come to purchase. Now at the front of the stores, I see that they have the Christmas ornaments displayed, and you can see that they have some set here that already are paired, so you can see like your traditional colors with some golds and all for like $1,527. Now as I said, I do so many other shopping videos, so you can watch other shopping videos so you can compare prices. If you're looking for a different color scheme, you can always look and see what they have. So if you want your red, your white, you can see that they have it here. I am also seeing gold and browns and burgundies. So you can see so far that they have some stuff laid out at the front. Now over this side, I saw that they have some other ornaments decorated in colored scheme, such as blues and your silvers and other white colors, and you still get these for like 1,400, 1,300 and all. And I couldn't miss this well decorated tree that they had inside the store, or actually it's a supermarket, whatever you want to call it.
Oh, Christmas, it's what I'm starting to hear. The whispers reaching my ears of warm intentions. Oh, Christmas, we'll burn the coziest fire while wrapping love that's disguised as pretty presents. Everyone I know deserves a little bit of love. Every face I've seen through the year. Now's the time to see the good and try to rise above petty things that compromise our cheer. Oh, Christmas, the ground is fashionably green, but I imagine a scene with snowy sleigh rides. Oh, Christmas, let's take our kindness inside and test it out for a ride and love each other. Everyone out there deserves a little bit of love, even when it's not always clear. Now's the time to see the good and try to rise above petty things that compromise our cheer. Oh, Christmas, we'll take that plain old green
I'm going to head on over to the section where you can get like your cushions, so please continue watching. Also, I just want to say thank you guys for the support you are giving me. Again, it's not too much to say thank you. I appreciate you all. You guys motivate me so much to continue share videos with you each week, and I just want to say thank you again. Please comment down below, what is your favorite part of the Christmas? What is your color scheme that you're working with and all? So I am heading now to the cushion section where you can get your decorative cushions, and as you can see here, they have some lovely colors going on in the cushion area, and also you can get curtains as well, but I won't be going over the curtain sections. I'm just sharing everything Christmas now. Look at these decorated cushions in Christmas colors, and they are like 2,100, 2,200. They have so many different price ranges for you to select, and these are also some great gifts that you can purchase and give someone. So even if you're not interested in purchasing something for yourself, it's a great gift that you can give someone. So you can buy a pair and just gift it to a friend, a family, someone that you know will love these decorative cushions. And the good thing with these cushions, they can use now, put down, and always reuse again. If you are looking for neutral colors and not the old fancy Christmas decorative colors such as your white and golds, here are some that are beautiful as well and very simple. So they have them in the gold and silver and the gold and white, and they have these with some leaves on it and other neutral colors that you guys can choose from. If you are working with neutral colors such as your tan as well, because you have some persons that are using the beige, the tan, and so you realize that they have those colors as well that you can choose from, and the prices are, as I mentioned, like 2,100 up. So any color you're working with, they have these plaid colors as well that are more on the neutral side, and also they have these cushions with these type of frilly edges. So come on over, check out their stuff. You guys will really love them. And as I said, these are great gifts that you can purchase for someone as well. So you don't have to just buy it or think about not buying it for yourself. It's a great gift to give someone. Around this section, they have some sheets and curtains and other comforters and pillows. They have these throw blankets as well. I'm not fond of these patterns for the Christmas. However, if you love them, you can always come over and purchase them if you wish. This aisle, they have comforters, and as you can see, a lot of colors, but I'm just sharing Christmas decoration. Look at these bows. Now this pack of bow here is for what? $700. Oh, $402 actually for this pack, and you also get 15% off. This one is 1,200. So as you can see, they have some beautiful stuff and the prices aren't bad. $1,142 for this one, and you can get it in the red and gold as well. So gold and red, white and red, you get it all. So I am in this aisle now where you're going to see the wreaths and the other products that they have for the Christmas and the lighting. So you can get your 100 LED lighting for only $1,571, and they have other price lighting. These aren't the best prices that I have seen so far, so you guys can decide if you wish to purchase it at MegaMart or Fontana or Quartz. Whichever store is best for you, you can always do that purchase. They have these succulents and all that you can get with some pine cones, and they are like $595 and other prices. They also have the berries that you can purchase. These are great, like to put on your console tables. your TV stand, your entrance table, any area that you wish to add little decor, and your wreath or your decorated and all. So if you want some decorated wreath, you can get these here as well. And the prices, well, let me say, you can also DIY your wreath. So you can purchase a wreath itself and make your own pattern or DIY it. So it's up to you on that part.
Christmas bells ring, ring, swinging my shopping bag, singing. Oh, ring, ring, the Christmas bells ring, ring. I don't know how much I spent on this bling, bling, but I don't care what it costs. I'm leaving no name uncrossed. I got a list in my coat pocket stash.
Opposite the wreaths and those other decor, they have these ornaments that you can hang in the tree, and for like $519 you get that one. You have the angel, the large one for like $1,300, and the smaller one is like $705. They have these small Santas as well for $5.99, and they have some other pieces that you can put in the tree that you can purchase. They have these ornaments which are cleared with some snowball effect, $579 for those. They have some tree toppers that you can purchase, and these angels.
'Cause I feel cheeriest when I give to family and friends. They've been there year after year, kept.
So if you're searching for your gold tree toppers, and so they have these starfish as well for like $929. Auntie is another word for best friend. Not bad at all. That is beautiful. $1,165. I like that they really have some tags really advertising that they have 15% off all Christmas decoration. And as I said, they have the gold, the sage, the purple, the blue, so many stuff that you can use to decorate your tree. So come on over and check out their decorations, 15% off.
Well, I'm gonna need a truck for all this stuff.
They have these white larger balls for like $1,337. These are more larger, so sometimes you can mix their decorations or ornaments on the Christmas tree so that you can get a mixture and a whole balance of the how you decorate your tree. Around this side you can get your hat, your headbands, and other decor pieces. These are great to purchase for the children so that they can feel like Christmas vibes. I'm sure the children would love some of these headbands and hats. So think about that and come on over and purchase some of these. If you need garlands, they do have garlands. I purchased mine from MegaMart last year for $826. You can get a 6 feet garlands. So you can also use this to decorate spaces over doorways and all. And you can always, as I said, DIY it with your picks and your ornaments. 9 feet for like $892.
I keep one empty seat.
Over here you can get your gift bags. Now I see persons use gift bags to DIY some decor pieces. You can always Google or go on YouTube and check out some DIY videos if you want to see how they use like the gift bags to make some DIYs. They have these tree stuffers for $565 and you get a 15% off. They have them in gold, silver, they have red. So you can always get your tree stuffers and picks here.
Play around in the snow.
And they have these other decorations over this side. These are some garlands as well that you can use to trim your trees and other places around the home just to give it a Christmas feeling for $406. So you see, it doesn't take a lot to feel the festivity of the Christmas. It just need a few dollars, and you can always shop on budget, shop sale prices, and remember, as I said, start shopping now for the gifts and just to make that preparation for the Christmas so that you don't have to wait late. They have these other types over here as well that you can purchase, and as I say, MegaMart has so many items displayed for the Christmas. These are some other decoration pieces for like $1,187, and these are good products that you can use around the home. You can hang it on doorways, you can just hang it around different spaces so that you get that Christmas vibes around the home.
Through that creaky old door, I couldn't.
These are some other wreaths. They are in the berry form. I had something like this last year in the full pine cone, and these are some, they have them in like small, medium and large for like $1,833. You can get these berry wreath, and they have them in gold as well. So if you want to mix and match, you can always do that. Look at this plate here. It has a shape of a Christmas tree. Now these are other pieces you can put up to put sweets on and so. And if you know someone that love to drink tea or coffee, they have some mug here as well for like $611. And they have some clear glass as well that you can come on and check out. They have them $811 as well. Thank you again for watching. If you love this video, you will love the next video on screen. See you over there.